Bore da a croeso I Gair Cymraeg y Dydd Heddiw. Good morning and welcome to today's Welsh Word of the Day. And today's Welsh Word of the Day, one of those words, two words, which I know a lot of my walking friends from university days like this particular cake quite a bit. It's not really a cake, but it is to do with baking. So today's Welsh Word of the Day is Mince Pies. Mince Pies. Now, in a Hughes Jones household, a mince pie is usually cooked by a Nain, because Nain makes the best mince pies. And she doesn't do them between April and October, but between October and April, the mince pies season is open. Unfortunately, during coronavirus, we haven't seen Nain at all, because she's stuck in North Wales, and we're stuck in Scotland. So this year, I'm having to perfect the mince pies recipe. Can you all guess what a mince pie is? That's right, it's a mince pie. Remember to say it as you see it. Mwynhewch, because I love a mince pie. Enjoy. Hwyl fawr.